Welcome to Buddha's International TV News Bulletin 9 a.m. on 28th April 2020. I am Dr. ABMK Varaprasad, Managing Director, Nature Science and Medicine Hospitals Private Limited, India, and Vice President of Human Rights Council of America, USA, and Vice President of Global Unani Medicine and Research Foundation, USA. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, UN Representative and President of Human Rights Council of America and President of Global Unani Medicine and Research Foundation, updating from USA. Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah, Padma Shri Award winner and former health advisor to Government of India, who is working for more than 57 years with the name of Vijay Mission. It is concentrating on health education as well as environmental protection. Welcome, sir. Mr. Rajiv Kumar, working in a pharma company, research and development, updating from Algeria, African continent. Welcome, sir. Today, if we see the coronavirus cases, more than 30 lakhs people were affected and more than 2,11,000 people were died. So this is a very sad condition. But if we see the present situation with respect to the seriousness, only 3% of the people are in critical condition and the rest of the 97% are in mild condition. So that is a good condition, we can say. But the people are getting fear by listening the name of the coronavirus. So this is going on because so far the medicines are come to vaccines point of view. Still some type of research is going on. So ultimately let us improve the immune system to protect our body and mind. So from the threats of coronavirus, this type of news is popularizing by different people in different media. So let us get the information from USA. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, could you update the data from USA?
Yeah, USA total cases is 10,10,000 and total recovered 1,38,000 and total death is 56,000 in a whole USA. This rate, this data, and Chicago have 45,000 people. Total case is 45,000 and total death is 1,900 in Chicago. And more people affected or more people death rate in the Newark. So Newark is 2,98,000 total case and total death is 22,000. So Newark have lot of problem, but now USA is rate is death rate is decreasing. So because lot of thing government take lot of tests, so now death rate is decreasing. So this is a very good news.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Shah. And Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah, could you update the data of India?
India, the total number of patients are more than 28,000 and recovered more than 6,000 and deaths are about 880. In Maharashtra, the total number of patients are 8,000 and dead and recovered 12,000 or more and 369 deaths.
Okay, thank you very much.
Speed is less now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that's why the growth rate is speed is decreased. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, could you update the coronavirus present scenario in the African continent and in Algeria?
Yeah, is 5 country is covered. Other country, rest of African country, other number of cases is only 20%.
Okay. Now, the Democratic Republic of Congo as well as Sudan and South Sudan also registering new
Yes.
cases. So,
New cases, but 5-6 cases. Total number of cases in Sudan is I think 54 total.
okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Rajiv Kumar. If we see the entire global scenario, and no doubt most of the cases are registered from African continent is somewhat very less compared with the other countries, and North America and European countries registering more cases. So if you start from USA also registering, and come to Mexico, and come to Honduras, Guatemala, and till Panama, and come to South America, Brazil, and Bolivia. These are registering more cases compared with African continent, and come to even the Europe, Spain, Italy, Germany. These countries are facing the difficulties. Here, right now, the method is going on. It means the lockdown entire the world. So nearly for the last 1.5 month, nearly for 6 weeks, the lockdown is going on even in India. Whereas come to the developed nations, the lockdown, that's not a problem, because the people lifestyle is better. So that's why the government help also to the maximum extent. That's why if they can continue their lockdown also, their food habits or come to basic necessities and everything they are getting from the governments, as well as to some government organizations, or come to any NGOs organizations. Whereas this problem is mostly critical condition in developing nations and underdeveloped countries. In underdeveloped countries, even they are not getting the complete basic food items also if the lockdown is continued. And the same situation is also going on up to certain level in the developing countries. Now let us discuss about the India's particulars. In India, on March 22nd onwards, this lockdown is going on. And for this 6 weeks, the government could afford up to certain level. But if we see the recent news, particularly from the Delhi and Gujarat, and because of the food, and 400-500 members are rushing towards the food packets. Like the condition is in the natural calamities, like in the floods or in the case of earthquakes, what type of situation is going on with respect to food packets, the similar situations also can be seen right now in this condition. So nearly 400-500 members are rushing towards the food packets, and they are fighting for getting the food packets. And the same thing we have seen in the Delhi as well as come to Gujarat, and not only in these places, in other areas also. If the situation is continued in this way, and what is the purpose of continuing this lockdown? It means we are one side we are locked down, and other side is the people are not getting sufficient amount of basic necessities also. So because nearly 1/3 of the people are under below poverty line, and maximum people are daily wage workers. If they don't go for any work, they won't get any food on that day. That type of situation is going on. And suddenly this type of announcement was given by lockdown announcement was given by government. So at the time what happened means the father is at one place and mother is at another place, children is at another place, and lack of communications, it means they are not moving, and they are suddenly after going to these hospitals also, the people are not returned to their houses. So in that way, the people lifestyle is very critical situation is going on every day. So all these things are one side, and other side is the people are not getting regular food items also, because already we have seen that type of conditions. So here what type of measures we have to take to tackle that type of situations, and Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah, could you recommend some suggestions to face this situation, sir?
One thing is that you have mentioned about Gujarat and Delhi, but there are very few places. The government of India and Maharashtra, they are providing on the ration the free food, grains and everything. Even the daily worker, they are giving the money on their name on the bank account. So that is not the problem. Most of the places. The problem is the food which is available, say the fruits and these things are available in the field. But because of the transportation, it is get in the cities. And actually, you're surprised, so many acres of this thing, just they have destroyed this thing, the crop, because they don't have facilities for the transfer. But now, they are trying their best. Now we are getting a lot of vegetables, there is no problem. But the milk, we got excess milk now.
Yes.
Where to put it is our problem now. So they are actually making the powder. So I think the food is not a problem. What you have mentioned, the one family member staying at one place, how to get them, and that is the risk. What they have announced, if I had not announced that, they would have been more dangerous thing.
Yes.
I'll tell you the example from my district. One family, they have gone to Saudi. There are poor people, and they in that family, out of we got about 30 corona patients, 25 people from the one family. If it had not done the lockdown, that was the problem. And because of the lockdown, even we are not allowed to go to one place to other villages also. So it is a good advantage. But how to solve the people, the business? Maybe you are talking only about the poor people. Even all business people, there are maybe he is a cloth merchant, he is got a stationery and so many things. The government should decide now to relax this thing. And we don't have proper sunlight now. No exercise. Even the people, they go for morning walk, the police are asking. They are doing their duty, but what is the alternative? I think there should be some relaxation, but people should, actually the government has problem, when they relax, the people, they go and plan, the giant flood. So people, now they should decide, we want to cure ourselves, so they have to cooperate with the government.
Yes, sir.
But in Maharashtra, I'll tell you, the government is doing the fantastic work. We don't have any complaints. All from ministers or local MLAs, MPs, and all the government measures, especially, and younger generation, the police officer, maybe IS officer, they are doing excellent work.
Okay.
They don't have sleep, I think, like 1 month, my friends, with the SP, I don't think he has slept for 1 month, The same with the DC. You should appreciate them. And they are doing other duty. They are enjoying this thing.
Yes, sir.
And
No doubt.
I think within
Yes, sir. No doubt.
short time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No doubt we are saying that everybody is doing their work effectively. That's not the problem. But the thing is here it is the below poverty line people and the daily wage workers are not getting the basic necessities. Okay, food is available in the market. Fruits are available in the market, but they don't have the money to purchase that one. That type of condition is going on. Like emergency natural calamities, what type of food packets are right now they are supplying. That type of things are going on. If morning and afternoon and evening 3 times per day, who can provide the food habits because food packets? Because even the NGO also, these organizations also for the last 1.5 month onwards, they are under this critical condition because of lockdown, and the organizations also facing difficulty with the financial issues. So this is the main things are going on right now. So that's why food habits are available, everybody's food material is available, and everybody doing their works very nicely. But what about the daily wage workers? That is the main thing, because if you provide a simply a food packet means, and if they don't get the basic nutrition food means, and gradually their body is becoming weak. So for how many months we have to provide that type of thing? So that's why this lockdown they are planning to extend beyond May 3rd also. So that's why for the last 2 months, okay, lockdown, fine. And how many months we have to continue, and after continuing even for 2 months or 3 months, do we have, let us say, any guarantee so that we can completely control? Because in the critical condition it is fine. And if the people, for example, if you take in the case of USA, now they can extend up to 6 months or 1 year also. That's not an issue because the people lifestyle is better there. But come to in the developing countries and the underdeveloped countries, and the people 100% they can't able to depend on the government, and the government also can't able to provide for this 140 crores of population the basic necessities. So that's why, and this is the government must think about all these things, and the family members are distributed here and there, so at least 1 or 2 days if they can able to give some type of relaxation, and I think that is somewhat a better thing, sir. And thank you very much. And Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, and what type of recommendations you suggest, sir? Could you provide that recommendations?
Yeah, in America no have any problem, that kind of problem, but some underdevelopment country have lot of problem. So my suggestion, government need to support poor people because they have no job, no money, and people have problem for food. So main government need to find out who is the real poor people, and they need food. Without food, people are not going to survive, and their rate going to high. So my suggestion in the India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, first need to provide basic need for poor people, and food is important. If government provide pure food and everybody, then people have we are going to control our death rate also, because lot of people have no food and no have people. I'm looking today one news in the India, lot of people traveling from bicycle, Delhi to UP, Delhi to Bihar, and people ask how long takes time. Some say 15 days, some say 5 days, some walking. So this is not a good situation. So government need to help that kind of people also, because they have no food, no
Yes,
have
sir.
money,
Yes, sir.
and they walking in the road 6 days, 10 days. So this is the problem. So India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So that kind of problem now poor people is facing. So government need to support that kind of thing. My opinion.
Yes, sir. Definitely. That is a very valuable session, sir. Now here it is. Lockdown is okay, a very good method for temporary arresting, but it is not a permanent solution. Without giving a nutritional diet, how many months and how many days we have to stay in this way? Maybe that is okay with respect to developed nations, they can afford for years together also. But what about, let us, underdeveloped countries, and what about developing countries? And the people, I think they may die because of starvation than that of this coronavirus. That type of situations also increasing every day in the developing countries. And the governments are simply following a blind beliefs in this context. Because let me highlight one point. If you take in the case of Japan, there is no lockdown in the case of Japan. But how they are surviving? The people responsibility. See, here it is, lockdown means by staying in the houses without food and without exercise, without improving the immune system. How many months or how many days we have to stay here it is? It is a meaningless things. So that's why by improving the immune system, and we have to give the high responsibility to each and every individual whenever they are going outside, means compulsory they must use mask, and compulsory, let us say, they have to take very good sanitizations and each and everything. In that way, Japan is almost all the works are going on without, let us say, any problem. So that's why no lockdowns or, let us say, anything are going on. Everybody is doing their works fantastically, but with high responsibility. Every day, here it is, we are forcing the public to use the mask. So that type of things are going on. So that's why, so if the same type of situations continues, means here it is only we are depending on the lockdown and we are waiting for the medicines part without, let us say, encouraging for taking the immune system. Okay, and your only body can able to protect yourself. If you don't have, let us say, strong immune system, and by staying in the lockdown situations, by staying in the houses like jails, and how many months we have to stay here, I think we'll die with a lack of proper nutritional diet. That type of situations may continue. So that's why government must think about all these things, and the government must use the word can be called as a improve your immune system, so that okay, and at least 2 or 3 days they must give some relaxations, because the people already stuck in some particular area. So that's why they want to move here and there, and at the same time agriculture laborers. And these agriculture laborers also completely in the lockdown situation. That's why the productivity of the agriculture also somewhat less. hence the prices are increasing to the maximum extent. So that type of things are going on. So that's why the people are facing difficulty with the money, means how can they purchase a healthy food items, regular fruits and vegetables. Okay, government or some organizations are providing food packets like a rice packet. Okay, morning, afternoon, evening. And how many days? And if they don't consume vitamins, food and minerals food means, and how can they protect themselves? So that's why, and all these issues we want to put in front of the government. So that's why what type of measures are required. So let us think about that one. So thank you very much for updating from different countries, and thank you very much Dr. Ramakrishna Shah and Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah and Mr. Rajiv Kumar for your valuable suggestions. Thank you very much.